Child performance at school, or how to invest in our education. Hello, my name is Tahmine Qurbanian. I downloaded my data from Kaggle website. It includes records of roughly 1,000 students with 8 different variables. I checked the whole data set for all sort of missing or misspelling feelings. Fortunately, this data was clean and there was no need for further processing. I also added a new column called average to the data set, representing the rounded average score of all 3 maths, reading, and writing scores. The quality of Australian education system is world known. The Australian education expenditure in 2023 is approximated to be around $30 billion, which is going to be equivalent of 7 to 10% of the total Australian government budget and around 2% of Australian GDP. Now let's see what measures can affect child performance at school. Is it gender or race? Can it be parent level of education? What about taking a preparation course or free lunch? First, let's have a look at the result of male and female students in exam. Looking at y-axis, female students, which are represented by red dots, perform better in reading and writing. However, male students outperform female students in maths. Let's change the axes to visualize it from a different angle. Okay, next I looked at another factor, namely parent level of education. As it is clear, the higher the level of the parent's education, the higher the result of children. And this pattern holds for all subjects. In this density graph, we can see both standard and free lunch follow normal distribution with different means and different standard deviation. The graph also shows that free lunch does not have a great impact on child results. This one is my favorite. First, it shows how prep completion greatly impacts child result in exam across all the subjects. Second, it demonstrates children in group race E always outperform other race groups. Next graph is another evidence supporting this. This last one gives scores histogram of all 5 race groups. Distribution of group A is almost normal. However, in race group E, distribution is left skewed, meaning race group E has better results in all subjects than race group A. In conclusion, a big chunk of Australian education budget should be invested, 1, in early education, 2, improving female students in maths and male students in reading and writing, 3, to enhance students with background group ethnicity A. It's also highly recommended to encourage students to pursue higher education, and as this will impact next generation.